Now you are going to see the EOQ model cost curve. This is a graph drawn on the basis of the annual cost, the order of quantity, and from which they are obtained the optimal order. In this graph we can see that is the optimal order, the total order quantity, the ordering cost, the carrying cost, and the total cost. Finally, you got the minimum total cost of the material also. Now we will go in detail. See, at the left side, line OB is in y-axis, which is the maximum annual cost of the material you have purchased. OA is in the x-axis, which is the maximum quantity order you have placed. So there is OA, OB. Point O is at 0 level. There is no value for the cost of the material and the quantity of the order. So suppose if you purchase the order to a level of point C, if you draw a line 0 to C, and from C to OA, a vertical line, it intersects on OA, that is called total order quantity. Suppose if you draw a line in horizontal, that is in x-axis from C to OB, it will intersect at OB at a point. So this is called minimum total cost. So here you can see another line DE. Say it is a curve. This curve has been formed by purchasing the maximum order quantity, that is D, which rises to the point E, which is the total cost of the material. This OC and DE are intersected at a point. If you draw a vertical line, that is dotted line, this will meet a dotted line from C to OB. This point is called minimum total cost, which we call it as 0. 0, that is slope is equal to 0. What is this slope? See, this we have drawn two lines, that is ordering cost and carrying cost. Suppose if you include with these two, we will get the total cost. This slope, it raises to a certain point, that is what we call it as total cost. This is the total purchasing quantity and the total annual cost which have occurred. And the optimal order, what we got is that we can purchase an we can order an optimal order to get best benefits in a more economical way. Now we are going to discuss about economic production quantity, EPQ. There are few assumptions we will have to understand well. These assumptions are: only one product is involved. So in a factory they may be using different types of materials, but we'll have to concentrate on only one product. Annual demand requirements are known. We should know what are the annual demands for this material. Then we should know the usage rate. Is this rate is constant rate or is it varying? Then usage occurs continually but production occurs periodically. Suppose if we use this material continuously for production or periodically for production, we should know about it. The production rate is constant, whether we are going to produce a constant rate of production or not. The lead time does not vary. The lead time, it doesn't vary. It's always constant. There are no quantity discounts for this product. There are no quantity discounts. Now we should know about what are the quantity discounts model. Quantity discount, this is the price reduction offered to customers for placing large orders. Means there will be some price on a material. Suppose if you buy this material and place a large order, you will get a discount for this material. So how you are going to calculate this total cost? This total cost is equal to carrying cost plus ordering cost plus purchasing cost, where Q is the quantity, H is the holding cost, D is the demand, S is the stock out cost, P is the unit price. So a formula is here, that is QH divided by 2 plus DS divided by Q plus PD. If you apply this formula, you will get the total cost with quantity discount. Now you will see the EPQ equations. There are few equations are there to find out different things. One is adjusted total cost, that is TC is equal to DS by Q plus I max H divided by 2, where TC is the total cost, D is the annual demand, S is the stock, I is the maximum inventory, H is the holding cost. We have another equation, the maximum inventory, that is I max is equal to Q into 1 minus D by P. I max, maximum inventory is equal to quantity into 1 minus daily demand divided by P. That is, then adjusted order quantity, EPQ is equal to root of 2DS divided by H into 1 minus D by P. So if you apply these equations, you can get the adjusted total cost